The move by minority councillors in the St. Anne Municipal Corporation to suspend Councillor Kim Brown Lawrence because of her arrest in connection with the Caribbean Maritime University investigation fizzled on Thursday. This as the corporation chairman used the laws of the council to shoot down the motion. However, the minority group insists that the matter will not end there.
True to his announcement earlier this week, minority leader in the St. Anne Municipal Corporation, Winston Brown, sought to table a motion to have Councillor for the Brownstown Division, Kim Brown Lawrence, suspended. Councillor Winston Brown linked the motion to the pending court case following Kim Brown Lawrence's arrest and charge in connection with a fraud investigation at the CMU. But Corporation Chairman Mayor Michael Belnavis shot down the motion on several levels. Firstly, he says the stipulated 30-day notice was not given.
So the fact is that we have heard on your approach, and hence it would not have been accommodated. Alright? So that is the first thing.
The minority leader then sought to table the consideration as a resolution, but that was also dismissed as Mayor Belnavis says the intention was not presented to the council in advance as is required. Corporation CEO Rovell Morris presented a letter from the Local Government Ministry quoting the Local Government Act of 2016, which outlines specific grounds for the suspension or removal of a councillor.
Been sentenced in any jurisdiction to death, penal servitude, or imprisonment with hard labor, or for a term exceeding 1 year. That person shall thereupon become disqualified immediately and shall cease to hold the office.
Tempers flared temporarily, but Mayor Belnavis dismissed the matter and the sitting shortly after.
They erred in all those motions because, for one, for 7 days notice, they were talking about 7 days for a motion, and they were talking about bringing 7 days for a resolution. So, is that they're confused in their interpretation of the law. So they had to retreat from that. So they were just scuffling and trying to get various perspectives and trying to see how they could eke it in and so on. But if you're succinct and you respond to things as they are in terms of the law, then it's really clear and cut and nobody can dispute it.
However, the minority leader says their efforts will not end there.
Although the mayor, he has a right where he can throw the resolution at any time, but he did not. So I think the notice of motion still stand for us to discuss it at the next sitting of council. So the next sitting of council, then we can determine where we go from there.
Well, there's no other course of action. It is our dead issue until the courts decide, because it is now the law of the land that is guiding us, and my response has been strictly with the laws of the land. So there's no other course of action. As far as I'm concerned, and as the chairman of this municipality, it is now a dead issue.
The corporation is scheduled to meet again on the second Thursday in December.